welcome to the channel, welcome to the carport. Today we're having a chat about this Black & Decker Workmate 536 I picked up this week. Got it on a Black Friday deal from B&Q. I've been looking for one for a while. My original one, which is here, was from B&Q from about 16 years ago. And the wooden slats have split on it now, so it's a bit worse for wear. So I thought I'd replace it with a new one. So I've been looking for a while. And this was a really good deal when we walked in there. It was originally £44 down to 30 quid. It's got the foot stand as well and everything on it, which is again a bit of an extra one. And for anyone like me, grew up in the 80s, Black & Decker Workmates, everyone wanted one when they came out. Everybody wanted one, so I finally decided to get myself one. To give a comparison of cost and the saving on this, the conventional one, which is just this one without the step, was still in store for £33. So this was cheaper than the replacement of this, the direct replacement. So decided to give it a go. Just going to do a quick opening video on it. That's all. This one will be staying in the workshop because I've got some big projects to do next year. And just be useful to have an extra surface to put things on. So we'll do a quick box opening and give the initial reviews from what I saw in B&Q. When I look at it, it was pretty good quality. So let's get to opening the box. Cheers. This is requiring a lot more sewing than I thought it was. When I bought one from B&Q, the old one, that was just open the package, it was all done. Got to add the bits of timber, I've got spaces to put into it, so I'm going to do a bit of a time lapse of how to put this together. I have to break out the sockets, as you can see. So, yeah. It's together. What a faff. Instructions aren't very clear. There's a number of different blocks that go underneath these wooden pieces. They're different. They have a reference letter that goes to them, but nowhere in that instructions does it tell you what the references refer to which piece. So it's together. It's not that many parts, to be fair. You do need a hammer to put it together, though. It comes with a like a plastic former to tighten the nuts that go on the top. Other than that, it went together really well. First impression, there's something I might have to modify on it. You can see on my old one, it's got lots of these holes, so these can be moved to hold big and smaller pieces. This one has a very number of selected holes, so I might end up putting a couple of extra ones in. Here, just to allow this more flexibility. In fact, do these fit in there? Ooh. These seem a little bit light. Look at comparison. These are the ones that comes with the jaws. These are the ones on the other ones. These have obviously a lot more bite to them, so I might end up using these on it. As you can see, they do fit. So, just going to show putting it up. It's dead easy, easier than I thought it was going to be. So, and for size comparison, from putting it away in the shed, I was worried that it would take up more space in this, but it actually takes up a lot less. So, legs out. And it just lifts and clicks. So those get together. You can see it's a bit more stable. Footrest to stabilise it. It's a lot, obviously, with a wider footprint. It's a lot more stable than my old one, which started to get a bit rickety. Again, I might drill some more holes in here. These original ones off there have a little bit more meat to them. although these ones are nicely secured, but and do have little clips to hold them in place a bit more. So I might end up using a combination, but I definitely will be looking at drilling some additional holes in here. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. The fact that it was 14 quid off and was cheaper than the equivalent of this one, which is just basically a sawhorse, nothing more than that. Yeah, for 30 quid, hopefully. They've still got them stacked up, and being in Trafford Park, they were stacked up. They must have had a 40 or 50 in. So hopefully, if it's of interest, it is a pretty good deal. It might be useful to you. Thanks for watching. Hopefully it'll be useful. And again, just a really good deal, really good price. Cheers.